how are you all doing? Thank you for your love and support. We really appreciate you. If today is the first time you are coming across us, or you are seeing this face for the first time, please do well to like our videos and share. In this platform, we react to all videos and your opinion is highly needed. So please sit back, watch this video carefully, drop your opinion in the comment section, and I'll be right back.
Yes, hello Biafrans. I bring greetings anywhere you did to watch me. I just want to do this 5 minutes or 3 minutes video. You see, I want to tell us that we should know that Ejiofor is the #1 enemy. Ejiofor, barrister, so-called barrister Ejiofor is #1 enemy. If Barrister Ejiofor can go back to fight and even desire to kill Mnk'S that paid his school fees and saw him through school days, Ejiofor can do anything. Ifeanyi, Ejiofor can do anything. So I don't want anybody to begin to see Ejiofor as he is innocent. He is a knight of Molumba. They are the worst people that will happen to anybody. Those people you see like a knight of this one, knight of that one, knight of bat, knight of death. They are wicked, occultic people. If Ejiofor can go after Mnk'S that fed him, paid the school fees, gave him scholarship, Ejiofor, Ifeanyi can do anything in this life. You heard it all last night. Go and ask Ejiofor. The governors told him that we have concluded the plans to silence Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Now you see that the original plan was not even to bring Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to Nigeria. The original plan was to kill him in Kenya and nobody would have known where he is. Because the original plan is that when they kidnap him, nobody go see him, nobody go know where they kidnapped him, where he is. Because nobody knew his whereabouts. That was why for 10 days, these fools in TOS did not even say anything. These Mnk'S in the radio Biafra did not even say anything. They kept quiet. Pretend all is well. They never said, oh, Onyendu is missing. They concealed it and hide it. Ejiofor now pretending, they brought Onyendu to Abuja. I was just informed now. I heard it in social media. There is nothing Ejiofor did not hear, can never hear from social media. Everything Ejiofor do, he hear in social media, just like me and you. He has never been a lawyer that he claimed to be. He has never proclaimed anything that comes out like a lawyer will do. You, and you're making noise. Your generation will continue to die in making noise. Your generation will continue to die in making noise. Ejiofor is the #1 enemy, and until you scratch it, gam for now the Kanu body. Now that time you go know say I dey make noise. Now that time you go know say I dey make noise. Delicious. Did you not hear what Shinasa said? That Ejiofor know that they have concluded plan on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They don't finalize plan. And yet the same Ejiofor come out to tell you he don't know anything. The same Shinasa come out to tell you he don't know anything. No wonder Kalu said that all these criminals knows better than I do. No wonder. Now the handwriting on the wall has become so clear and clean and so transparent you can even see through it. And some fools will not see it. Some fools will not understand it. Some fools will keep fighting this DOS foundation, DOS, this. Monyo. Ụmụ egwu nwụchara anwụ na-amaghị ihe. Tell me one good thing Ejiofor don't do. One good result where Ejiofor don't bring. One achievement, even bad one, where no good where Ejiofor don't achieve. Since when he come in as a legal advisor or a legal personnel in IPOB. Tell me one good thing where he don't do. Nothing. Never do anything. And nobody they see him. Una know they see him not to say I they make noise. To say I they talk rubbish, I they talk nonsense, I they make noise on social media. I they make noise, but I they tell you the truth, you refuse to hear. Because your eyes has been blinded and you have decided to go and cite some fools, some wicked idiots that think that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu will die. But your greatest nightmare will be the day Mazen Nnamdi Kanu will come out. Because Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is going to come out. He will not die in that prison. In case you don't know. Listen, if you know that somebody has been, an arrangement has been concluded on your client, what did you do? Did the Ejiofor come out to tell you, yes, I learned from the governors that they were planning to kidnap Mazen Nnamdi Kanu? Why did he not say it? Did he tell Mazen Nnamdi Kanu that these people want to kill you? Did he tell Mazen Nnamdi Kanu that these people are looking for you? And he knew that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu was in Kenya. And all the DOS knew that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu was in Kenya. None of them told him, run from Kenya, run from Africa, go back to Europe, even better still, go back to England. They refused to tell him. They refused to talk about it. They hide it, they considered it until they kidnapped him. Chinasa Nwodo started backing. Kalu must tell me what happened to you. Kalonda. But you know, and the Ejiofor even confirmed to you, and you know that the governor sit in Enugu to conclude plan how they want to kill Onyendu. You know all this, and you kept quiet. Now you are blaming Kalonda Kalu. Kalonda Kalu is left for you and your family to wake up now. Are you now fighting to defend the structureless structure, or are you now fighting to bring out your brother? Decide on you what you want to do. If you want to continue to keep silent, it's not about taking side, it's about standing on the right side. It's about saying the truth, to come out and join forces. Let us fight the demons and destroy the demons once and for all. Onyendu must to be free. Whether Chinasa want them, whether Ejiofor want them, whether the one waiting for sick bed want them, I no care. But one thing is that Onyendu must be free. And anybody where touch scratch for Nnamdi Kanu body, that is when you know. Ejiofor should know that he is responsible. Because you meet with the governors that want to kill Onyendu, and they told you that we are ready to take him down, and you kept quiet. All you do is run about. They just told me, they just called me this evening and told me that tomorrow morning Onyendu will be coming to court. In the court, you will come and tell us, they did not bring Onyendu to court because they said Onyendu is not well. They did not bring Onyendu to court because they said Onyendu is there is no vehicle, there is no fuel in the car, the motor, the driver is rubbish. All useless excuses. All useless excuses. But your surprise, okay, make it fiamnaya. Or what Biafran flag in a face everywhere na Biafra land today. Or wait for you, Ejiofor Iforia. Ndesi no na heme, oku na fugo no na eme. It happen. Autopilot IPOB know they play. We know they take cars, we know they take bribe. We know they look face. Whether you come out to come now say, na you go court, they no call you for court, they don't jail on you, do no problem. Ejiofor, have you filed a petition against the Nigeria attorney, against the federal government of Nigeria for not releasing Mazen Nnamdi Kanu after the court has discharged him? Have you filed a petition to any court? If we talk and person say Ejiofor, you are fighting it, let Ejiofor go to hell. Who be Ejiofor? I want us to know, if we continue to say, this is what Simon has been doing, let us wait. We have waited and found out that Ejiofor will never leave to fight or to let Onyendu free. Ejiofor is not working for Onyendu to be free. Ejiofor is working with the governors that want Onyendu to die. That is why Onyendu was sick in DSS dungeon. Ejiofor refused to talk. That was why they don't give him pillow, they don't give him food. Ejiofor refused to talk. Ejiofor refused to contest. Ejiofor refused to say anything. He will only come out and tell you, hey, Onyendu is heady. Onyendu is hearty. I don't forget the other English way they speak it, that grammar, big grammar way they use. Let me tell you something. The truth is that if we don't move, nobody will move for us. We must make moves and we must bring Onyendu out. It will surprise you how Onyendu will come out. Don't worry. You go hear Onyendu voice and he go be say, if they talk as a free man, you go hear him. And it go clear. And then you go see say so many people go commit suicide. You go see say so many people go hide their faces and you will never see them. People like Ejiofor. The person that call himself our lawyer, barrister Obodoyibo, barrister America, barrister whatever. Erudite barrister, erudite Omoshireke barrister, deceiving people, every day deceiving people. But your cup don't full. I am coming back for you this evening, right now. Let me come back. So I just want to end them here. And this short video I want to do now. But I want us to know that if any scratch, anything now gam about Nnamdi Kanu, it's not even the Eastern governors, it's not even the Fulani government, it's not even the Fulani terrorists, it's Ejiofor. It's Ejiofor. So all of you, when they defend the Ejiofor now, when they fight, when they insult me, when they insult Simon, when they insult anybody, when they talk against Ejiofor, when they talk truth now, make you come out when it happen. Can't talk for Ejiofor, because very soon alarm go blow. When alarm go blow, as you say I dey talk rubbish, as you say I dey insult your father wey be Ejiofor, make you come out come talk and later. But one thing you go know be say we dey do am if dey show God dey our side. That is why today all over Biafra land, including Calabar, including everywhere, Biafra flag they fly everywhere. You know see am. As you know see, you know hear. If he do you for eye, he do you for ear. My brother, my sister, I salute you all. Thank you for this moment. Help me for do one thing, for share this video. Make it go viral. Thank you so much. Bye.
That brings us to the end of this update. Do where to like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you very much for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. Share the video and tell your friends about this platform, because the best thing or the best place for you to be is here. Turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop a new boost like this, you'll be the first to notify. Thank you once again and remain blessed.